Namaskaram, ഞാൻ Eliza. Learn Malayalam with Elikuttiyilekku Swagatham. If you're looking for a place to help you with your Malayalam journey, you've come to the right channel. Today we are starting lesson 19 in our Beginner Learners series. If you've missed a few, don't worry. Check out my playlist here and get all caught up on anything that you might have missed. And if you're ready to go, well, let's just get started. Today we're going to talk more about verbs and giving commands, and also in the context of health and our body. And we're just going to keep on with this theme, talking about different parts of our body, what we can do, what we can't do, and what we shouldn't do. But before that, let's warm up. Here we have our conversation in English. I'd like you to translate this into Malayalam. There are some clue words at the bottom to help you get started on your sentences. And once you're ready, hit play and we'll go over the suggested answer together. All right, here's my suggested answer. And as always, if you have something different, you can put it in the comment section and we can chat about it. There's more than one way to describe something in a language. Namaskaram, James. Ninde chetane sukkamilla. Namaskaram, James. നിന്റെ ചേട്ടൻ സുഖമില്ല? അതെ, പനിയും തലവേദനയുമുണ്ട്. ചേട്ടന് ഉറങ്ങാൻ പറ്റില്ല. ഡോക്ടറെ കണ്ടോ? അതെ, ഇപ്പോൾ ചേട്ടൻ മരുന്ന് കഴിക്കുന്നു. നാളെ ചേട്ടൻ ശരിയാവും. അത് നല്ലതാണ്. So here, remember, we're talking about ചേട്ടൻ, so we need to be polite. ചേട്ടന്, ചേട്ടൻ. Also, പനിയും തലവേദനയും. So is the and. So we have to put them together. Urangan patilla, can't sleep. Marina is medicine. Kaikina is taking medicine, is eating medicine. And then I like this phrase, ശരിയാവും. It will become okay. He will be fine. നാളെ ശരിയാവും. Like in Malayalam, you can say എല്ലാം ശരിയാവും. Everything will be fine. All right. So now we have a picture. Let's look at the picture, think about the situation. And now I'm going to read to you the conversation. അയ്യോ, എൻ്റെ പുറം വേദനിക്കുന്നു. നിർത്തു, പാത്തുകെ നടക്കുക. ശരി, വിളാരത്, വിഷമിക്കണ്ട. So, അയ്യോ, എൻ്റെ പുറം. What part of the body is that? That's our back. So she hurt her back. Her back is hurting. നിർത്തു, stop. പാത്തുകെ നടക്കുക. So paduke is slowly. Paduke, slowly. Nadukuga, walk slowly. Shiri, vilarada, I won't fall. Don't fall. Shiri, vilarada. All right, and then vishimakanda. Vishimakanda means don't worry, don't stress, don't be sad. Okay, vishamam is like sadness or upset. So vishimakanda, don't be worried. All right, our friend has returned with the toothache. Let's see what's going on with her. എന്താണ് പ്രശ്നം? എനിക്ക് കഴിക്കാൻ കഴിയില്ല. എൻ്റെ പല്ല് വേദനിക്കുന്നു. All right, we know this already. We talked about this last time. നിന്റെ വയറ് തുറക്കൂ. എനിക്ക് സർജറി ആവശ്യമുണ്ടോ? അതെ, മധുരം കഴിക്കരുത്. നാളെ തിരിച്ചു വരൂ. So here we know already, എന്താണ് പ്രശ്നം? What problem is there? എൻ്റെ പല്ല് വേദനിക്കുന്നു. So my tooth is hurting. So നിന്റെ വയറ്, mouth, തുറക്കൂ. So what does the doctor say? Open up. So തുറക്കൂ is to open. Telling her to open her mouth. And then he says, മധുരം കഴിക്കരുത്. What does a doctor not want you to eat? Sweet things. Madhuram is sweets. Kaikarada. He's telling her, don't eat sweets. Naale tirichavaru. Come back tomorrow. So in Malayalam, we have 3 main ways to give commands positively. And each of these have a different level of politeness. So the most polite, like if you call a customer service, you're going to hear this. Okay? Wait, Chayuga. It's going to be the full form. So when you give a positive, polite command, you're going to just use the full verb as it's found in the dictionary. So nokuga, nadakuga, nirtuga, edukuga, kodukuga, vitekuga, varuga, nilkuga. So it's just the regular dictionary form. Now, if you want to be polite but not too distant, you would just subtract the ka and add ooh, a long ooh sound. So nokuga, noku. Nadakuga, nadaku. Nirtuga, nirtu. Edukuga, edukuga, edutu. Kodukuga, koduku. Vitakuga, vitaku. Varuga, varu. Nilkuga, nilku. So it's all ooh. So if you want to tell someone, look, noku, noku, like this. Now, informal, among friends, in casual conversations, they just clip it. So noku becomes noku. Nadak, nirt, ert, koduk, vitak, varu, nilk. Again, this is very short, very clipped, very informal. So if Arjun and I are speaking to each other, we tend to use this. Like one time I said taru for like, give me that. And he's like, why are you being so polite? So this is definitely like informal is seen as friendly, but with the right people. Don't say this to your dad. Now, we have negative commands. So in English, we are like, do the work, don't do the work. Run, don't run. So we have these kinds of commands. In Malayalam, again, with negative commands, we have different layers. So for soft, less direct commands, like, could you please not do that? You would say, alle. No kale, don't look, please. Nadakale, don't walk, please. Nirtale, please don't stop. So we move on like that. Edukale, kodukale, vitekale, varale, nilkale. So again, this is seen as like soft and less direct. It's like nicely telling someone. If you want to be more direct and slightly informal, like you're just telling someone like, hey, don't do that, we add enda, just like renda. Think about that, enda. Renda, no need, no want, right? So nokenda, nadakenda, nirtenda, edukenda, tarenda, vitarenda, varenda, nilkenda. So it's this enda sound. Edukenda, nirtenda, nadakenda. Now, a formal and direct way of saying, so this would be like a sign telling you not to do something, or maybe a teacher telling you not to do something. This is very formal and very direct. So it's just to the point and it has more weight. It would be arad, arad. So nokuga, nokarad. Nadukuga, nadakarad. Nirtuga, nitarad. Edukarad. Kodukarad. Vitarad. Vararad. Nilkarad. So this arad is the negative command ending that is the most formal and the most direct. So now that we have all that, let's practice. Here's a conversation in English. I'd like you to try to change it into Malayalam. You can go back to earlier parts of this video, you can check your notes, you can check other videos, and when you're ready, push play, and we'll go over the answer together. Hey, ഇവിടെ വരൂ. എന്തു പറ്റി? എൻ്റെ കാൽ വേദനിക്കുന്നു. എനിക്ക് നടക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്നില്ല. നിൽക്കാരത്. ഇവിടെ ഇരിക്ക്. ഡോക്ടറെ വിളിക്ക്. എനിക്ക് സുഖമില്ല. So they're each telling each other to do things, right? So varu, come. All right, and then nilkarad, don't stand. Ivide irike, sit here. All right, doctore vilikya, so he's telling him, call the doctor. All right, so make sure you do that. All right, so how did you do? Remember, you can always put your comments with your questions and feedback, especially regarding the translation exercises. And as always, you can check out the other videos on my channel. I have a list of pronunciation videos and other interesting vocab lessons. Also, be sure to join our Discord server where we have over 3,000 members and free lessons every Sunday. We have a good population of learners and helpers alike, so you can talk to other Malayalis and get notes on your progress. So until next time, apo elam paranithu pole.